Hello, and welcome to tutorial number 16. This tutorial will discuss the what-if analysis that assists in tuning pairs and minimizing the pair's false alarms. When we recognize a specific period where an object generated an unusual amount of events, the next step is to go on the spatial pairs chart. Let's pick a time window where there is a problem with the tuning of the object. Now, let's go to the What If tab and click on the scroll button. The analysis takes between 10 to 30 seconds. When it ends, we will see the analysis table. The columns are the delay time in terms of minutes. The rows describe the percentage of the confidence interval for the prediction model. As you can see, 0% of expending confidence interval means we are using the original value. The number of events is between 14 and 11. In this case, if we expend it by 5%, we are going to eliminate all the false alarms. Click on the Simulation Values option on the bottom left part of the screen, and type 5 in the Expend Limits field. Now go back to the Charts tab, and you can see that the actual and predicted value no longer exceeds the spatial limits. Now we need to save the new definition by clicking the Save button. Also, go to the Details screen, stop the object model, and save the model by clicking on the Save button. Afterward, click the On button to restart the model. The object is now calibrated, and you will see that it will reduce the false alarms rate for this model. Thank you. We hope this tutorial was helpful and clear. For more details, please go to our website.